Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This channel is all about clothes alterations. So by that I mean when people go out and buy clothes off the rack and they don't fit, then they need to find someone who's going to make it fit for them. So it could be that it's got to be taken in or taken up or let down or let out. You know, they're the kind of things that this YouTube channel is all about. Now, how this all happened is that I actually went through a personal financial crisis a long time ago, over 20 years ago, and I ended up working for a friend of mine in a shop, and I started doing her clothes alterations. So from that, fast forward many years, I've had 6 clothing alteration shops. I've trained a lot of people, and when I was training the girls, what I did was I started to create manuals, and my book, Clothing Alteration Secrets Revealed, is the accumulation of all of those manuals, teaching the girls and men exactly how I wanted those alterations done. Because what I wanted to do with my clients is I wanted to offer them a 100% guarantee on my workmanship. Now, to do that, what I needed to do was I needed everybody to be on the same page. I mean, you've all heard stories where people take clothes to dry cleaners or just to some alteration shop, and it ends up an alteration disaster. Well, the reason for that is that because these places are really busy, and sometimes what they've got to do is just employ someone on trust that they know that they know what they're doing. So what I did was I created what's called my taking in technique and my taking up technique. And what that meant was that everybody did it exactly the same way. And then I could say to the customer, I guarantee that these trousers will be the length that they've been pinned on you. And I explain all about that in the book. The same with taking in, where I pin is where I sew. So that's what this book is all about. Now, having said all that, I keep selling out. I'm a self-publisher, so what that means is that I produce it and sell it, and I'm the only one who does. On the inside cover of this book is the Jean Genies, and the reason that that's there is because I used to get a lot of people say to me, I can't take up my jeans on my domestic sewing machine. Well, I only had domestic sewing machines in my shop. That's all I had. It's just the technique that you use and the way that you use it. So that's where the Jean Genies comes in. Now, my book's about to arrive in a couple of weeks, my next lot, because I had sold out. So if you'd like to order a copy of that, put your name down, please send me an email at judith@geniecentre.com, and I'll send it to you. And it's going to come in a box like this, so it's all nice and protected. Now, there's another book on the market which is the exact same book, but I gave a publisher the rights to print it, and they've called it the Sewing Bible for Clothes Alterations. So it's the exact same book, right? The only difference is this one doesn't have the Jean Genies. But you can buy this from Booktopia or Amazon, or all of those sort of places, even Angus and Robertson, places like that. So you can buy that book. And if you have bought that book, or you've bought my original book and your Jean Genies been used and used and used and used, and you need a new one, what I've done is, because people were saying to me, can I just buy the Jean Genies by itself? And up until now, no, you couldn't. But what I've done is I've got these produced, and they will be coming in a couple of weeks along with the books. And so you can buy one of these by itself. And then all you've got to do is, on my YouTube channel, if you under search, if you just search how to shorten jeans, then that video will come up which explains how to use this. Okay, so if you'd like to order one of these, pre-order, again, judith@geniecentre.com. If you want to pre-order a book, again, judith@geniecentre.com, and I'll put one away for you. One of the things that I'm extremely proud of is the fact that the Olds College in Canada are using my book. So each student purchases a copy of my book, and within their fashion apparel major, they have a section on alterations, on clothes alterations, and in that they use my book. If you are interested in doing design and garment construction and all of the things, costume design, and you're looking for a college, I would honestly recommend Olds College in Canada. You can just Google it and it'll take you to their website. So I'm extremely proud of the fact that they use my book to teach their students. So every year they put in an order for a whole heap of books. So I hope you enjoy my YouTube channel. I try and put up as many videos as I can, as often as I can. For those of you who are new to my channel, health-wise, I actually have what's called interstitial lung disease. So I have a lung disease, and what that means is that my lungs are hardening. They're going hard. It's not cancer or anything like that. Now, for 2 years I've been going through this process I've had every test known to man. I spent 4 days in hospital, and they did, up into the heart, they've done everything. So health-wise, I'm actually really, really healthy, except for my lungs. So what that meant was that I'm now on the lung transplant list in Queensland. And it means that I'm waiting for a donor. But it's a double lung, and because my lungs have gone hard, they've shrunk, and so I need someone who is a small size, and obviously my blood type and all of that. So what that means is at some point I'm going to get a phone call, and within 15 minutes I'm going to be leaving, and I'm going to go and get new lungs. So hopefully that all works out, and and I'm sure it will. And they say that once that happens, you have a new lease on life. So I hope that happens. Anyway, that's my news about my website and about my book, if you'd like to order it. And I'll be constantly putting up new videos for you as well. Oh, and just to add to that, I do have an online tutorial service where a lot of those videos are exclusive to my online tutorial Magic Circle, and people do subscribe to see that. So those videos are not public videos. I mean, some of them are, I have popped up there, but most of them are exclusive to there. So if you want to kind of go that extra mile in terms of learning more complicated things like shortening jacket sleeves and replacing invisible zippers and all of those kind of things, they're the sort of things that you'll find in Magic Circle. So enjoy my YouTube channel, and happy altering.